in the last videos, we covered very clearly, sir, up to LBP number 4. Okay, up to LBP number 4. That means 4 problems we covered clearly, sir. Sir, next and after that, sir, let me talk about LBP number 5. Sir, it is the easy program only. Just have a look once. Easily you can write algorithm for this. Implement a program that takes a number as the argument and increment the number by +1 and returns the result. Nothing but we have to add +1 to the existing number. Beyond that, nothing is there. What is the logic for this program is nothing but very simple. We have to read n value from the user and increment its value by 1 unit. How you can increment? N is equal to n plus 1 you can take, or n plus plus you can take, or n plus is equal to 1 you can take. All these statements are same, sir. So n is equal to n plus 1 means what? We are adding a unit value for n and we are assigning to the same n. What about the second one? N plus plus means already some value is existed, we are incrementing its value by 1 unit. Sir, n plus is equal to 1 means what? Same like previous value of n is there, that n is equal to n plus 1 we can write in shortcut like n plus is equal to 1. This is nothing but the logic for this program, and anyway it is a easy program only. Directly we can go for implementation. Please confirm, do you have any doubts in this logic? I think no doubts will be there. Please confirm any doubts in this logic. If logic is clear, I will go with implementation of this program, sir. Everyone please confirm. Right. So let me go for C language implementation. I want to go for C language implementation. Have a look once. Implement a program that takes a number as an argument, increments the number by +1 and return the result. Like this we have. So if 10 is the input, 11 is nothing but output. If 5 is the input, 6 is nothing but output. Like this we have. So let me read the value of n from the user. So scanf %d comma ampersand n I am taking. So what is the instruction? You can take n is equal to n plus 1, or n plus is equal to 1, or you can take n plus plus. But anyway, in C language, increment operator is there, right? That's why I am taking. Okay, sir, we have to print the value of n. Beyond that, nothing. So it will increase its value by 1 unit and it is returning the result. Let me submit the code. So you can see all the test cases are satisfied. This is nothing but, sir, how you can able to implement in C language. I want to implement the same program in Java. I want to implement the program in Java. Let us see how you can able to, okay, how you can able to run this program. How you can able to run this program. Just have a look once, sir. Sir, I am taking Java skeleton. Okay, I am taking Java skeleton. Sir, scanner obj is equal to, sir, new scanner of I am taking system.in. Then integer n is equal to, sir, obj dot next int I am taking. Then n plus plus. Here also increment operator is there. That's why I am incrementing by 1 unit and I am printing the value of n. Let us run the code. Is it working or not? Perfectly working, and submit the code. Sir, even the code got executed, all the test cases are satisfied. This is nothing but Java implementation what I have. Sir, let me go for Python implementation. How you can able to implement the code in Python, sir? Okay, let me solve this problem. So n is equal to int of input I am taking. Unfortunately, do you know we don't have any increment or decrement operators in Python, sir? Remember carefully, we don't have any increment or decrement operators in Python. Compulsory manually we have to take. So what is that? N is equal to n plus 1 you can take, or if you want n plus is equal to 1 also you can take. Later I am printing n value. Let me run the code. Perfectly working, and submit the code. So you can see all the test cases are satisfied. This is nothing but, sir, how you can implement this program LBP number 5 on different programming languages. Please confirm, friends. Do you have any doubts up to this? Requesting everyone to please respond. Any doubts in this program? Yes, please confirm. Everyone. Right, sir. Sir, next one. Okay, next program, what we have here is, sir, observe carefully. The next problem is very, very important, sir. Sir, no, not this problem, next problem. Okay. Sir, what is this problem here is, observe carefully, free coffee cups, free coffee cups. Sir, understand the problem statement. It is something like our real-time scenarios only. Implement a program to calculate the free, okay, the free number of cups. So user will get for a specified number of cups bought by the user. So in this particular case, if the user gets 1 cup free for every 6 cups bought, so if you purchase 6 coffee cups, then you are going to get 1 free cup, sir. That is a company policy. So if you purchase 6 cups of coffee, 1 extra cup you are going to get. Sir, if you purchase 12 cups of coffee, in 12 cups, how many 6 cups are there? 2 6 cups are there. That's why, sir, 2 extra cups you are going to get. So if the user buys 12 cups, he will get 2 extra cups free as per the buy 6 get 1 offer. Okay, and hence the output is nothing but 12 plus 2, total 14 cups you are getting. Sir, I will give some analogy so that you people will get some idea. Suppose, consider I'm purchasing 5 cups. Sir, how many cups you are going to get? Five only. Five only. Sir, I'm getting 6 cups. What will happen? Sir, you will get 6 plus 1, that is nothing but 7. Sir, I am purchasing 8 cups. What will happen? 8 plus 1 only. Okay, like 9. Sir, I am purchasing 10 cups. No problem. 10 plus 1, 11 cups only you will get. Sir, I am purchasing 12 cups. What will happen? Sir, 12 plus 2, sir, we are going to get 14 cups. Sir, if I purchase 13 cups, sir, 13 plus 2 only, that is nothing but 15 cups. What is the formula? If I purchase n cups, n plus n by 6 can I write? Yes, because we have to get 1 free cup for every 6. Sir, something like in our supermarket anywhere, have you observed? Sir, buy 2. Okay, buy 2, sir, get 1 free. Get 1 free. Such a type of scenario I hope you have faced. So suppose if your requirement is 3 products, definitely by adding plus 1, you will purchase 4 products, because for every 2, 1 free means for 4 you will get 2 free. Okay, otherwise if really your requirement is 3, then better to purchase 2. One free we are going to get. Have you observed? This is nothing but what is the logic behind this program. Sir, first we have to read number of cups. Okay, number of cups bought, which is nothing but as n value, and then we have to print n plus sir, n by 6 is nothing but the answer. Sir, please confirm, is the concept is clear for you people? Yes, please confirm. If the concept is clear, I will go with implementation, friends. Okay, right, friends. So let me go with implementation. So I want to go with C language implementation. Okay. No, 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 no. Total cups you are going to get, Rohit. The output is a total number of cups the user is going to get. Okay. Rohit. See, output format you have to consider. Implement a program to calculate free number of cups user gets for the specified cups bought by the user. Okay, sir, in the particular case, the user get 1 cup free for every 6 cup bought. This is the analogy of program. This is nothing but the statement. Input output, why they have given. You have to understand input and output also. The input here is number of coffee cups bought by the user. The output is nothing but the total number of cups the user get, including free coffee cups. So you have to read output statement also. Without that, if you write, then nothing will be there. Okay, Rohit. Clear? Yes. So what is the constraint? That cups should be greater than or equal to 1. Let me implement the program. Yes. So let me take C program, sir. First, we have to read number of cups from the user. Sir, I am taking scanf percentage d comma ampersand n. Sir, if the value of n is greater than 1, that is a condition, right? Yes, greater than or equal to 1 means then you have to print the directly you can print the result. So what is the formula? Just now we have discovered n is equal to n by 6. Let me run the code. Sir, working for all the test cases. You can see the remaining test cases also satisfied, sir. This is nothing but how you can able to implement in C language. Let me go for Java implementation. Let me go for Java implementation. Sir, how you can able to solve this problem in Java? So how you can able to read? I am taking scanner obj is equal to new scanner of system dot in. I am taking integer n is equal to obj dot next int. I am taking. Then if the value of n is greater than or equal to 1, then I am printing directly result. System dot out dot println of n plus n by 6. So let me run the code. Perfectly working, and submit the code. Sir, all the private test cases also got executed. This is Java code. Sir, remember carefully Python code, which is a very dangerous. Have a look once how it is going to work in Python implementation, sir. Observe carefully, friends. I am taking the Python program for this scenario. Sir, n is equal to, I am taking int of input. N is equal to, I am taking int of input. Okay. Sir, if the value of n is greater than or equal to 1, sir, don't print n plus n by 6. Because, sir, do you know in Python, sir, n by 6, if you take, it will return always floating point return. Floating point data it will return. Okay, suppose if 12 is there, 12 by 6 means you will get sir 2.0, but our requirement is only 2, right? That's why we should not use single slash. But in the case of C language or Java or C++, it will return integer value. But unfortunately in Python we are going to get a floating point. Sir, how to solve this problem? Instead of n by 6, better to use n double slash 6. So n double slash will return, sir, integral value. Okay, n double slash is going to return integral value. First we will check with a single slash, and then we will go with a double slash. Sir, have you observed our expected answer is a 7, but the answer which we got is nothing but 7.0. Here the expected answer is 14, but our answer is 14.0. Here expected answer is 8, but my answer is 8.6, something like that. So what is the change that we have to do? Double slash you have to take. Remember carefully. So in the continuation programs, we are going to use this, sir. So whatever your knowledge getting in each and every application, sir, even though you are feeling the program is very simple, sir, at least one loophole will be there. That is the main intention of this course. In the previous program, I explained increment and decrement operators are not going to work in Python. So with that, you got one example program. And here So if you want to get integral result, sir, you have to use a double slash in Python. For that, this is the example program. Okay. So because these programs will give input for next programs, sir, that you can see soon. Sir, please confirm. Do you have any doubts in this challenge? Please confirm. Yes. Shubhadeep. Yes, what is your doubt? N plus n by 6. Yes. Bharat, where you are asking? Yeah, we can write, no problem. But we have operator is there, right? We have a special operator is there. Yes, we can use the help of these operators because operators will have more performance instead of typecasting. So in that, how the system would get plus one thing. See, where plus one? I'm not getting your doubt. N plus n by 6. Already I explained the formula. So n is equal to 10 means 10 plus 10 by 6. So 1 point something we will get. That's why one free cup, because just a casual calculation you can do. In 10, how many sixes are there? Only one six. That's why one free cup. In 13, how many sixes are there? Two. 13 plus 13 by 6. So you are going to get 15. Clear? Yes. Sir, the next one, very, very important program. Observe carefully. Extract digits from the number. Sir, we have to write a program to extract digits from the number, sir. Remember carefully. I will take two examples. Sir, first example, suppose if the number is 123, sir, you can extract the digits in two ways. One is nothing but 1 to 3, or you can go for 3 to 1. Sir, which is recommended? Which is recommended is nothing but remember carefully, 3 to 1 is recommended because it is following decimal number system. It is following decimal number system. So if I want to get 1 2 3, yes, we have another approach is there. Everything is possible by using program that we can do later. But why 3 to 1 is recommended? Sir, how we got this 123? Sir, 100 plus, okay, 100 plus, sir, 20 plus, sir, then 3. Sir, this sum is nothing but we got 123. Okay, so 3 is available in first or unit position. Sir, 2 is there in, sir, it is there in tens position. Okay, sir, 1 is there at hundreds position. Sir, you know very well how these position values are calculated. So that's why if you want to extract the digits, always you have to extract from right to left, sir, but not from left to right. Remember this terminology. But how we are going to get all these things, I will explain. Okay, sir, please confirm, is this explanation theory part, is it clear for you? Yes, sir. Sir, I am requesting every student to please, yes, from right to left. This is the mathematical method that we have to follow, sir. If you want left to right also, we have options are there. But in the program, generally, until if they are asking from left to right, you have to do from right to left only. Sir, I will explain the logic for this. What is the first step? We have to read a number n from the user. Okay, our requirement is nothing but digits we have to calculate. Sir, for that we have to use while loop. While condition we have to take, and within parenthesis you can write any number of instructions. So why this while loop? Because, sir, it is a looping statement which will repeatedly execute these statements. Because, sir, we need numbers one by one. First time 3, next time 2, next time 1. It is a repetition process. That's why I am selecting looping statement. Sir, why you have not chosen for loop? Because, sir, if you give 123, how many times I have to run the loop? 3 times. If the number is 124, how many times you have to run the loop? 4 times. If the number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, how many times we have to run the loop? 5 times. So the number of iterations is depending on the number of digits present in the number. Sir, do we know already which digit the user is going to give? We don't know. That's why if you don't know the number of iterations, sir, how many times you have to run, that if you don't know, better to go for while loop, sir. Okay, better to go for which looping statement, sir? While loop. While loop is used to run if you don't know the number of iterations in advance. Okay, sir, now what is the logic for that? Sir, while the value of n is not equal to 0, calculate the value of a digit. D is equal to, what is the formula? N percentage 10. Then you can print that digit. You can print that digit. Then n is equal to n by 10. Sir, I will run the loop. I will execute with the help of or I will explain with the help of a small paint so that you people will get some idea, sir. Have a look, friends. This is nothing but what we have. Main program, right? Sir, fine. Let me take the value of n is equal to, sir, assume they have given, sir, 121237, like this they have given. Okay, sir, first time n, is it equal to 0? No, sir. So condition true, then it will enter. D is equal to, sir, I am calculating n percentage 10. That means you have to divide the number with 10. So what reminder you are going to get? Sir, 10 123s are, sir, 12,000, sorry, 1,200. What is a reminder that you are going to get? 7. 7 is nothing but the reminder. That is nothing but D. Sir, print the value on the screen. So 7 will be printed. Okay, then what is the next one, sir? Your n will become, okay, your n will become, sir, n is equal to, it is going to change the value of n. Previously it was 1237, now it was 123, right? So now is it equal to 0? No, it is not equal to 0. Sir, we have to check. If it is not equal to 0, what operation we have to perform, sir? D is equal to, again we have to divide. Sir, 123 divided by with 10. So 10 12s are 120. The remainder what you are going to get is nothing but 3, sir. The remainder what you are going to get is nothing but 3. Print that D value on the screen. Next, n will become 12. 12. So again, for n is equal to 12. Is it equal to 0? No. Then again digit value will be calculated. So if you divide 12 with 10, what will happen? Sir, 10 ones are 10. Remainder is nothing but 2. So print that value D. Yes, 2. Okay. Sir, next the value of n will become 1 because it is normal division. Sir, next time the loop is going to run. Is it equal to 0? No. Sir, then D is equal to, again divide 1 with 10. So what will happen? Sir, 10 zeros 0, remainder is 1. D is equal to 1. So print the value of D on the screen. So then what we have to take n? Sir, n is equal to, n is equal to, sir, finally it will become 0. Finally it will become 0. So if n is not equal to 0, we have to run. If n is equal to 0, the loop is going to fail. Sir, what output we got? This 7321. Are these are digits or not? Yes, this is nothing but what we have. Clear up to this? Sir, is the logic is clear for you people? Please confirm. I request everyone to please respond. Yes, I am requesting everyone to please respond, because if it is clear, then only you will get remaining things, sir. That's why I'm asking everyone. Yes. Yeah. Sir, this document I will save. It is nothing but LBP number something. Where is my classes? Sir, I will create a new folder. This entire folder you are going to get as it is, sir. LBP 8, sir, at 10 a.m. 10 a.m. Sir, we are starting this batch at April. April, May, June. In these 3 months, this batch is going to be finished. Okay. So this program is, I think, LBP number 6 7 seventh program. Yes. Sir, now we have to run this program, sir. We need to go for C language implementation of this program. We have to go for C language implementation. Let us see how you can able to solve this program in C language. Let us see how you can able to solve this program in C language. Okay. So seventh program, right? Let me take seventh program. Yes. So let us implement in C language. Sir, we already know how the algorithm is going to work, but the required variables are digit, right? So first we have to read the number. So I am reading scanf percentage d comma ampersand n I am taking. So while the value of n is not equal to 0, then digit is equal to n percentage 10. So we have to print that digit on the screen. We have to print that digit on the screen. Then we have to take n is equal to n by 10. That's all. Why I have given space here? Because space separated values we are going to get. Okay, like this we can do. This is nothing but a C language implementation. Sir, I want to go for Java implementation. How you can able to implement in Java? So let us go for Java implementation. So what we have to do here, sir, declare scanner class. Scanner obj is equal to, I am taking new scanner class system dot in. I am taking integer n is equal to, sir, obj dot next int I am taking. Sir, we need digit also, right? I am taking digit. Sir, 1 minute, 1 minute. Yes. So D I declared. Then what we have to do, sir, while the value of n is not equal to 0, then, sir, digit is equal to n percentage 10. Then system dot out dot print. Don't use print ln. So if you use print ln, what will happen? After printing the data, the control will be transferred to the next line. We should not use that. Just use the system dot out dot print, and I am printing d value. Sir, after that I am giving some space. Then n is equal to n by 10. That's all. Sir, this process is going to be executed. Perfect, sir. And submit the code. Yes. So this is nothing but what we have, sir. Now let me go for Python implementation. Sir, I want to implement the program by using Python. Let us see how you can able to do that. Sir, I am taking n is equal to int of input. So digit declaration is not required. I told in the very beginning. So declarations are not required in Python. While n is not equal to 0, directly we can use. Sir, I am printing the D. Sir, do you know, if you want to get the next value, if you want to space, automatically this print is going to take a new line every time. That means after printing the first digit, the control will transfer to the next line automatically. To stop that, you have to use one special attribute called end. End is equal to space. That means after printing the digit, don't transfer the control to next line. Stay in the same line separated by space. Okay, stay in the same line separated by space. Now n is equal to, don't tag single slash here, we have to take n double slash, because just now we covered that, right? This is nothing but what we have, sir. Perfectly working, and submit the code. So you can see all the remaining test cases also satisfied. This is nothing but, sir, how you can implement in Python. Sir, please confirm up to this, do you have any doubts how to extract the digits from the given number? Sir, do you have any doubts, friends? Please confirm. Right, sir. Sir, next one. Sir, the next one what we have here is, observe carefully, sir. LBP number, LBP number. Sir, what is that LBP number? Sum of digits present in the given number. Sir, I think it is also related to the digits, right? So better we can take the same example. Better we can take the same example. Just logic alone I am copy pasting. Sir, observe carefully. Suppose if the number is 123, sir, in which order we are adding, forget about that. Sir, if you add 1 plus 2 plus 3, or if you add 3 plus 2 plus 1, our result is the same. But better to go with this approach only. Sir, 3 plus 2 plus 1, which is nothing but 6. So what is the logic? Sir, up to this, okay, but you have to declare initial sum is equal to 0. Instead of printing that digit, sum is equal to sum plus d we have to take, and finally print the value of sum. That's all. Consider, suppose, sir, if the number is 123. So first time we are getting 3, right? Initially sum is equal to 0, sir. Initially sum is equal to 0. This 3 will be added to sum. So 0 plus 3, 3, that will be assigned again to sum. So sum will become 3. So next time the value of digit will become 2. Sir, 3 plus 2, 5, which is again assigned to sum. Then 1. Sir, 1 plus 5, 6. Finally, if you print sum, what answer we are going to get, sir? 6. Okay, I think you got the clarity. Sir, is this logic is clear for you people? Abhishek, first we have to reverse the number, and then you have to implement the same program. If you reverse the original number, what will happen? Instead of 123, we will get 321. Now, if you apply this algorithm, from last it will return. Clear, Abhishek? Sir, I request everyone to respond. Up to this, it is clear. Yes, sir. So this is nothing but today's session. Okay, sir, remaining things we will continue from tomorrow. Sir, from tomorrow the regular link they are going to prepare. Today is the last session, sir. Okay, so from tomorrow, those who have registered, sir, you can able to attend from tomorrow with payment link. Okay.